What is going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video. Today what I'm gonna do is go over the top 8 penny stocks. This is part 2 from the video I released last week. So I put up a top 8 penny stocks to watch out for April. Now it's April and May that I want to kind of release. Some of these stocks I didn't mention, but some of these stocks, 1 or 2, I did mention in the last video. So guys, if you're new to this and you know the guys that have followed me, we have to always tell the new guys why we trade pharmaceutical penny stocks. So we trade pharmaceutical penny stocks because we can predict the exact date they will spike in value. We know when the stock's going to go up or go down, and that's why we trade pharmaceutical penny stocks. So pharmaceutical penny stocks have basically trials and results and studies. So in order for them to have a product, so you guys know penny stocks don't have revenue, penny stocks don't have, basically they're just in the developing stage. And in order to develop a product, and remember they're pharmaceuticals, so they have to develop drugs. In order to develop a drug and have it FDA approved, they need to show that this drug is actually going to work. So what they're going to do is they're going to basically perform studies and trials and tests to see if that drug will work. So that is what will spike the stock higher or lower. The result of that test or study or trial. If the result comes out positive, the stock is going to go up in value because now investors believe that this stock is, a minute away from developing this product. It's a minute away from developing and having FDA approved products. So if it comes out positive, that means this company has succeeded in the whole purpose why he started this company. If it comes out negative, that means the company has failed the purpose of the company or the business. So if it comes out negative, the stock's going to go down in value. If it comes out positive, the stock is going to go up in value. So your job is to find out whether it's negative or positive. Negative means short the stock because the stock is going to go down. Positive means buy the stock because the stock is going to go up. So how do we buy it? Well, pre-market, guys, because pre-market or after the market close is when usually they will release the results. So they will release it on their website, the company's website. So you need to go on the company's website and stock that stock and find out whether it's a positive result or a negative result, and go ahead to my previous videos and find out how we can see and find these basically results, which I've explained to you in the last video or the video before the last video. So guys, without further ado, let us begin with the top 8 pharmaceutical penny stocks you need to watch, and I'll give you the exact date when they will spike in value or when they will release that test and result in April and in May. Let us begin. And before I begin, guys, I just want to say to this comment that one of you guys have left, thank you very much. I'm glad you made money, and I wish the rest of the subscribers make money as well. So this is an example of a success story. Someone that hasn't made profits previously comes out to make profit after watching my videos. That is what makes me satisfied, and that's why I make these videos, is to see you guys learn, because I know a lot of people end up losing money, and that's gonna change. So congratulations to whoever you are, and thanks for the comment. And if you've made money, guys, and if you're learning, if you're seeing progress, leave it in the comment section and let me know how you're doing. But yeah, guys, that is what makes me happy, is you guys learning and making money and basically succeeding. So let us begin, guys, with the top 8 penny stocks. So BTX trading at $2.58, and I'm just looking at the computer. BTX trading at $2.58. That will release something on April 29th and between April 29th and May 3rd. So watch out for that. MNOV, guys, basically trading at $12.87. It will release something on April 27th. And remember, guys, I gave you this a month or 2 ago while it was trading at $4, or I think $6. Now it's trading at $12.84, almost $13. Why? Because it came out with a positive result, and I gave it to you in one of my videos. So KPTI trading at $12.96. Will release something in April 2018. There isn't an exact date, so I'll leave a link in the description where you can track the dates, so go have a look. And that's trading at $12.91 or 96 cents. The market is open, so it's changing constantly now. DVAX, that's April 17th, guys. They will release something on April 17th, and it's trading at $18.95 or 92 cents. I know it's not a penny stock, but look, this is a mid-cap stock. I think you guys can afford that. CYCC trading at $1.61. It will release something on April 15th, so watch out for that stock. RXII, that is May 18th, and that's trading at $3.35. AKCA trading at $24.40, and that will release something on May 10th also. And NBRV trading at $4.76, and it will release something in spring 2018, so this month or next month, but most likely this month, guys. Oh, and by the way, this stock was trading at $1 just a few months ago, and it spiked because of a positive result. It spiked to $11 and it pulled back to $4, so it just shows you how penny stocks work after a spike. So watch out for them. Don't hold on for too long. You hold on for a day or two and you get out. And that's all you have in a penny stock. You take your profit and you walk away. And that stock is an example of a success stock because it spiked by 1,000% in literally 2 days. So from 90 cents literally to 11 cents in a single, basically 2 days. So it just shows you how much you can make, guys, on these penny stocks. So make sure you understand that we only trade pharmaceutical penny stocks and we don't invest in them, because if we invest now, we have, so we're basically just betting 50-50, 50% it might pass, the result might come out positive, or 50% it might come out negative. So we don't invest. We have to have crystal clear proof. And how do we do that? We put in the work. We find out what the basically result is on their website, and on the day pre-market we either buy the stock or we short the stock. So yeah, I'll see you again for another video. Trade responsibly, guys, and I wish you the best of luck and the best of making money, really, in the stock market. So yeah, I'll see you again, just like always.